Check this thing out. Just got an order in from DDM. Got that Bartolone velocity stack 360 degrees. Thing is awesome. That is such a nice piece. Look at that, guys. She is gonna be ripping them. All billet, everything on this basically. Look at billet velocity stack, billet intake manifold, billet juice box, ADA big bore juice box on there with the 990 carburetor. And then we got the billet head kit, brand new cylinder, lightly ported, exhaust port enlarged, intake port went down about a business card on the bottom. Like I said, 990 carburetor, brand new, looking nice. Factory settings right there. But I'm really pumped to see how this setup works right here. So before, I was just running the billet intake manifold and didn't have the proflow manifold on there either, and it wasn't ported. So now, in my last video, I was showing the top end all apart. Now it's going to be going back together with the velocity stack, juice box, proflow manifold, some porting, let's say like stage 2 porting, and a new iridium spark plug. Before I wasn't running the iridium, I had just the regular NGK right there. I also have the export that I could put on if I wanted a little more bottom end, but I'm gonna try this setup for now. There's a lot of stuff bolted to this head, so, or I should say cylinder. But I could put the export on there if I think that I need some bottom end. I'm not sure if the juice box helps with bottom end or top speed or what, but I'm gonna try that out, experiment with that thing, see if I like it. If not, I can just take it off. But really excited to try out this Bartolone Racing velocity stack. Really nice design. First one I've ever seen like that, so that's pretty cool. And then the exhaust manifold, pretty excited to run this. ESP ProFlow, super rare manifold. I believe they were made in the like 2009, early in 2009, and have since been discontinued, so they're definitely hard to find. I'm trying to get the good lighting so you can see this nice, but I got a bunch of different pipes right there. I got the S2. Currently I'm running the S1, but I'm gonna try to put, so that's on the S1 is on my Super X-Ped right here. Similar setup with the 4-bolt Zenoa motor though. This is the 2-bolt CY29 motor. A little different, high compression head on there, which is pretty cool. But so yeah, basically gonna make another video of putting this thing together. Just wanted to do a little overview. A lot of people run these and have bad luck with them, but I feel like if you put them together correctly, make sure that you can even do the head mod where you do 8 bolts instead of having just the 4 bolts. You can take it and drill it, tap, and then just add your screws, you know, and then you'll have the 8 bolt. I was gonna do it, but then you know what? I was like, I don't want to just drill into this. I don't know if it's gonna crack since there's so many holes in it, so we'll just leave it like that for now. 4 should be fine. And yeah, pretty excited to try it out. I just polished up this wheel today. I'm gonna go with a beadlock rear wheel on the Super X-Ped now because she just skates on the tires because it going up around 17,000 RPMs. The wheel wants to come off, and the Black Magic spindle absolutely just shreds tires. So thinking about going back to a regular spindle just because the Black Magic is so aggressive. So there she is, the Bartolone Racing V2 intake setup I got going on here with the ESP ProFlow manifold. Pretty excited to put everything together. Don't know if anybody's interested in some rare parts, but I might be willing to trade or sell. I'm looking for a Flow Systems exhaust for a small bore. Nice condition, preferably the one with the stamp on it, but if it doesn't have the stamp, that's okay too. But I'd really rather have the Flow System stamps. But can't be too picky nowadays, you know. And then I'm also going to be running this air filter I got from DDM. I prefer these ones because they catch the air versus ones like this here that are flat. And then you even got the pancake filter. I have the pancake right in there, but that's even more flat. Little TGN export, pretty cool rare piece. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the views. Anybody that sticks around, appreciate it. Thanks. Trying to build up the channel, get it going. Getting better with the video thing, you know. Usually I find it to be a pain when you're trying to do work, but it's nice to be able to look back on your builds and check stuff out. Check out all these rare caps, Hollywood stars. Pretty sweet. I love billet aluminum. 0 error cap, nice cap. There she is. Next video you'll see this head going on. The whole cylinder head and whole setup, and I'll try to get a speed video, see if we can hit 40-45 miles an hour with that bad boy.